Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Volkswagen Tiguan gas cap. First, locate the fuel door release button, typically found on the driver's side door or dashboard. Press this button firmly to unlatch the fuel door. Once unlatched, gently pull the fuel door open to reveal the gas cap. This simple action prepares your vehicle for refueling. Now that the fuel door is open, it's time to remove the gas cap. Grasp the cap firmly and turn it counterclockwise. You will feel it loosen as you turn. Continue twisting until the cap is completely detached from the fuel filler neck. Most Tiguan models have a small holder on the fuel door where you can safely place the cap while fueling. With the cap removed, you can now insert the fuel nozzle and begin fueling your Tiguan. Once you have finished adding fuel, it is crucial to resecure the gas cap properly. Place the cap back onto the filler neck and turn it clockwise. Continue twisting until you hear at least 3 distinct clicks, indicating a tight seal. This prevents fuel vapors from escaping. Finally, with the gas cap securely tightened, it's time to close the fuel door. Gently push the fuel door inward until you hear it click firmly into place. Give it a light push to ensure it is fully latched and flush with the vehicle's exterior. This completes the process, keeping your Tiguan ready for your next journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.